Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to our CISA video series. So today we'll discuss on arrays. So let's get started. Array is a collection of elements of the same type stored in a contiguous memory location. And arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable and they provide easy access to the element using an index. So it is stored in a contiguous memory location. And what is this contiguous memory location? Contiguous memory location means that the elements in an array stored in a sequence, one after the other, in adjacent memory addresses. This kind of storage ensures that all elements of that array placed next to each other in memory without any gaps. So that is an array. So array is collection of elements of same type. Then key features of arrays: fixed size. Once an array is created, its size is fixed and cannot be changed. Zero based index. The indexing of arrays starts from 0. Homogeneous. All elements in an array must be of the same type. So let's discuss all these points with an example. First, declaring and initializing arrays. So how to declare and initialize arrays? Declaring an array, specify the type of elements followed by square brackets. So this is our type of array. So what type of arrays we are going to declare? Then this square bracket and then the array name. So declaring array, we can declare like this: int, then this square bracket, then the array name, string, square bracket, then the array name. So this is the syntax to declare an array. Initializing an array. Use the new keyword to create an array and specify the size. So how to initialize an array? We can initialize like this: numbers equal to new, then int, then 5, then the size of this array will be 5, and names equal to new string 3. The size of the array will be 3. So this is declaration of array and this is initialization of array. Next, declaring and initializing at the same time. So we can declare and initialize at the same time. How to do that? We can combine declaration and initialization like this. Let me comment these two lines and this declaration as well. Same line, we can declare and initialize int numbers and this new operator, then int 5. The size of this array is 5 and the size of this string array will be 3. So this is our declaration and initialization of the array. We can assign the value of the array as well like this: int numbers, then 1 2 3 4 5, whatever the value we need, want to store in our array, we can assign the value here like this. So default the size, whenever we will declare like this int 1 2 3 4 5, the size of the array is decided from the number of elements provided. So whatever the number of elements we have assigned here, that is the size of the array. Then accessing array elements. So to access the array elements, we can use the index number of the array. So how the array index number, it will be, the index number will starts from 0 and goes up to array dot length minus 1. So the index number will start from 0. So if we'll see there is 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5, the index will be start from 0. This one is 1 2 3 4, whatever the array's length minus 1. So from 0 to array length minus 1, this is the size or index of the array. So we can access the array's value or array's element by using the index number. So this is the array name, then the index number, array name, index number, array name, index number. Like this we can access the value or the elements of array. So let's run and see the output as well. 1 2 3 4 5. So it should show 1 2 3 4 5. So the index number will start from this 0 and till the array length minus 1 it will go. So this is our accessing array elements. We can access this names array as well, like this. See, the length of the array is 1 2 3. 3 elements are there, so the length of the array is 3, and we can access by index number starting from 0 to till this array length minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is our accessing an array elements. See, so let's comment this out and go for the next step. This is our access. Then modifying array elements, we can modify our array elements. How to modify? Let's say numbers 1 is equal to 25. So this is the index number. So numbers mean the array numbers, then the position or index number is 1. So the index 1 is, the value will be 2. So here I have written the code like to modify the 2 value to 25. Okay, so if I will now print this numbers, then 1, it should show 25 instead of, let's print it before and after. See, before it is 2 and after modifying the elements it will be 25. So 2 and 25. So this is our modifying array elements. Then there is array properties. There is some methods and properties of array. So one property is length, gets the total number of elements in the array. So number of elements present in the array can be like can be identified, or can be we can get that length by using the length property of the array. So I have written the same code here. Properties and methods of array. Length, how to know the length of an array. So if I see like we'll see numbers dot length, so it should show 5, and names dot length, it should show 3. So let's see if the uh, result is coming as expected. Yes, 5 and 3. So length is used to get the total number of elements in an array. Then another array method. This is one property of the array. One array method is there, that is sort method. So we can sort an array. How to sort an array? Let's comment this out. So how to sort an array? So this is another arrays, integer type of array called numbers 1, and here I have stored 5 3 8 1 4, and I want to like sort this numbers 1 array. So how to do that? The array, then the sort method, then the array name. So let's run and see the output. See, it will sort. 1 second, I need to print this one. I have not printed, that's why the output will not show. Okay, so here I have declared one array, then I call this sort method, then I'm printing the right line like that numbers 1, and this join method, this string dot join, I'll show you what this string dot join method will do. The string dot join method is used to concatenate the elements of a collection, such as an array or a list, into a single string with a specified separator between each element. It's a very handy method for combining multiple strings into one. So it is used to combine one collection like array with the separator value, or the separator is here comma. So it will join all the value of this numbers 1 array with the separator comma. So let's see the output by setting the arrays 1 2 3 4 5 8. So if you see, it is in a other format, and after this sort, this will arrange the array in a sorting format, and then it will join the string with a comma separator. That is the sort method of an array. There is another method called reverse. So to reverse an array, let's uncomment this array. So to reverse an array, we can do the same. This reverse method, we can call this reverse method. These are the predefined method for array: sort, reverse, copy, and all. So let's run and see the output how this reverse method is working here. It will just reverse the array 41835. 41835. So this will sort the array and this will reverse the array. That is two method of our arrays. Next is copy. So we can copy one array into another array. See, copying array elements to other array. So copy will take source array, destination array, and number of elements we want to copy. So first we will declare an copy array where we want to copy our source array. So this is our destination array and source array is our this numbers one array or numbers array, whatever. So I have declared one destination array. I want to copy my previous array into this copy array, and this is the copy method. Here what this copy method is like asking source array, then destination array, then the length, like from from this numbers array, what like till which length or till what index I want to copy. So I want to copy till this 3 number position, so the length of the array. So here I have given the first array, that is our source array, and copy array. Here I want to copy my array until this like number 3 length I want to copy 1 2 3. So it will copy. Let's print the new array, copy array now. So it should print till this 1 2 3, till this 3 number length. Okay, let's see. 1 2 3. So that is copying an array. So whatever we have discussed, that is a single dimensional array. Now another type of array is there, that is called multi-dimensional arrays. So arrays with more than one dimension. The syntax is the data type, then this square bracket, then this within that bracket there is a comma, then the like array name, then this new operator. This is the initialization, like 3 and 3 means I'm going to add 3 array. I'm going to add 3 dimensional array with 3 values, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is 3 and all these array or all these dimension are containing 3 elements. So that is our multi-dimensional array. So here I have declared one array and here I am initializing the array. See. So this is our multi-dimensional arrays. So here the matrix is array with 3 dimension: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how to access those array elements of this multi-dimensional array? A matrix means this array name, then 1 comma 0. What does mean by 1? 1 is, this one is our 0, this one is our 1 position, and this one is our 2 position. So here I have written 1 and 0. So from this 4 5 6, this is 0 position, this is 1 for the first bracket, the first curly braces is the 0 position, then the second one is 1, then the third one is 2. So I want to print here the 1 number position dimension values. So 1 then 0. 0 means under this dimension I want to print this 0 position or 0 number index value. So this is our 1 position dimension, and here I want to retrieve this 0 number position. So it should show 1 0 means 4, 1 1 means 5, and 1 2 means 6. So let's run and see the output. It should show 456. Like this also we can print these values and these values as well. Then matrix to 1. So I can also modify the value of this multidimensional array. So let's say I want to change this value of this 2 1 position. 2 means this is our 2 number dimension, and here the position or the index is 1 means this 8. So I want to change the value of this 8 to 88. So let's check if the code is working or not. Sorry, I have commented the array. See, 8 now becomes 8. So this is our a modification of our multidimensional arrays. Next is there is one other type of array called jagged arrays. So what is this jagged array? Arrays of array where each array can have different sizes. So jagged array is arrays of array. So the syntax is this int or whatever the data type, then square bracket, double square bracket, then the array name, then this new operator, this then the data type, then the number of array I want to define here. Then the size will can be different sizes. So I'm going to declare 3 array with different sizes. That is the meaning of this code. Int jagged array new int 3 then dash. So this will blank means this will the size of the every array, each array we are going to declare. The first 0 number array will be the size will be 2, then 3, then 4. So the size can be different, but we are here we have declared, I am going to declare 3 arrays. That is what our jagged array is. So let's say one jagged array is there and I have declared 3 array 0 1 2. Okay, then I'm just trying to print the or accessing the array values. How to access jagged array? The array name, then the 0 means this 0 number array, and the index number is 1. 1 means 2 because the index will start from 0. So this one is 0, this one is 1, so it should print 2. And the second one is 2 3, so 2 then 3 means this 9, 0 1 2 3, so it should print 2 and 9. So let's check the output as well. 2 and 9. Yes, 2 and 9. So this is our accessing jagged array. We can also modify our jagged array. Jagged array 2 3 is equal to 10. So here now we have seen the jagged array 2 3 position is 9. So now I have changed this 9 to 10, and again I am going to print this 2 3 position. Let me comment this out. Let me print this before changing the value and after changing the value. See, 9 and 10. So this is modification or modifying an elements of an array. So this can be a complete demonstration or a full example of an different types of array. Advantages. So what is the advantages of array? Arrays are strongly typed. What does mean by strongly typed? Which means we can store similar type of data using the same name. So in an array, if we declare this array as integer, we can only store integer value. We cannot store an string value. See, it will showing error, cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So we cannot store a string value in a integer type of array. So it is strongly typed. So array is strongly typed. As they are strongly typed, the performance of the application will be much faster because there will be no need for implicit and explicit conversion. So we have discussed typecasting or type conversion in one of our previous video. There we have discussed how to convert one data type to another data type, and that is a time taking process as there is a Backend process is going on to convert one data type to another data type. But in case of array, as the array are strongly typed, the performance of the application will be much faster, because there will be no need of this typecasting. Explicit or implicit, any type of typecasting is not required in case of array. A type mismatch will prevent runtime errors. So whenever I have given this ABC, so it will give a runtime error, cannot complete it. So this red color line will become. So during compile time we will get an error if there is any type mismatch. Elements in an array stored in a contiguous memory location, so it becomes easy to just retrieve using the index of the array. So as we discussed, contiguous memory location means the elements are stored in a sequence one after another, so it is easy to access. There is no gaps between our memory location in case of array, so it is easy to access by using the index of the array. So these are the advantages. So it is strongly typed, so no type conversion is required, and it is stored in a contiguous memory location, so the accessing or retrieving the data by using the index number is like faster. So these are the advantage of our arrays. So whatever like what is the disadvantages of array? The array is of fixed length. So whenever we will declare an array, at that time only we have declared the size of the array. So the array size is fixed. Size is assigned during the declaration of the array. So we should know in advance how many elements are going to be stored in the array. So we need to know the like in advance how many elements we are going to store in an array. As we can never increment the size of an array, we can do this manually by creating a new array and copying the old array's element into the new array. As we have seen how to copy an array into another array, in that process also we can increase the size of the new array, but we cannot increase the size of the existing array. So we can use the resize method, but it also works the same as stated. So first creates a new array, then copy the elements from the old array to the new array. So like whatever process we are going to follow, but we cannot change the size of the array in between. So every time we need to declare the array size while declaring the array. That is a drawback or disadvantage of array, we can say. So in an array we cannot insert an element in the middle of an array. So in an array we cannot insert an element in the middle of an array, because it is not possible to delete or remove elements from the middle of an array, because the size is fixed. So we cannot. So as we have declared the array size is here, let's say 5, so we cannot insert another elements to the array, as the elements length will be increased to 6, and the capable or the like size of the array is 5, so we cannot insert 6 elements to the array. That is a drawback. Or it is also not possible to delete or remove elements from the middle of an array. So these are the disadvantages. To overcome all the problems occurring in an array with different type of collection. So to overcome these problems or these disadvantages, we'll discuss on collections in our upcoming. So array in C# are powerful and fundamental way to store and manipulate collections of elements. Understanding how to declare, initialize and work with array is essential for effective programming. Arrays provide efficient access to elements and can be used for various data manipulation tasks. So that's all for our arrays today. I hope you found this session helpful and informative. Please check the description below for detailed note. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more C# tutorials. See you in the next video.